Okay, so here we are with the dashboard with my Combine account. This is my casino Combine. Made that $800 on that account. So far so good. A couple more days like that, 3 or 4 more days like that, and I'll be passing the casino Combine, which is not really meant to be passed. It's just meant to give me something to do. But that one's on its way to being passed. And then here we are with my NQ Combine. So just made that $45 on day one. So going into day two with that one. And yeah, it's just not really going anywhere. So hopefully day two will be a nice day. We'll get some movement in the market and be able to capitalize on it and maybe make $1,000. I'm going to be really aggressive with these, try to get them passed in just a few days or a week. And if I blow them up, I blow them up, and then I'll do it again and see what happens. The last time I tried to make this fast, it took forever. And then when I just slowed down, it happened really fast. So maybe that's the same result again this time around, and there'll be a trend there. Don't try to do it quickly. Just slow and steady, and you'll get there. Maybe that's the trend. We'll see. We'll find out together. And then here's my live account. So 48 days or 48 trading days. So I've been in the live account longer than 48 days, but I've traded for 48 days in this account. 83% winning days, $6,700 in the account right now. I've taken payouts from it, which have been nice. This is the last payout that I took here. Sometimes it shows this box. Sometimes it doesn't. I don't know how to toggle it on and off. Because when it's off, I'd like it to be on, and then yeah, and it doesn't show the first payout coming into the live account. Like there's stuff in here that I wish was in here. I don't know why it's not, but anyway, that's the payout box that sometimes you will see and sometimes you won't. And then down here we got the the stats for the account so far. So not great stats overall, but live account still green and growing. So all good. All right, buddy. We'll see what happens today. Hopefully we get some trades in the live account. I usually have 2 to 3 trades a week that's set up. Problem is I just haven't been available to take them. So, and then I come to the computer when there are no trades. And then what I'll probably end up doing is come to the computer when the losing trades are here, and I'll avoid the winners because that's typically what I end up doing. So, but we'll find out. We'll find out here in just a few minutes. All right, so here we are on July 30th. July 30th, getting ready to jump into this NQ long with my NQ Combine. We're starting to, what a massive sell-off. So this morning's trade was right here, breakdown here. Wasn't here to take it. So unfortunately I missed the morning trade, which would have been the sweet trade. This trade doesn't have nearly as high probability, but it's still in my favor. So I'm going to jump into this long trade looking for a retracement back up into this bottom area here. Possibly higher, but just looking to get into that area there on this trade going long. So I'm going to right click here. I want to see a break above this candle some more. Right click. Let me put this in so I can put my stops in. I'm on the 30-minute candle, buy stop market, 1.
Order submitted.
Probably should do a limit order, but I don't think it'll be that fast right now. So we should be getting to this trade here shortly. And then what you see down here, 773 is my casino account. So that account I made $800 in yesterday, down $461 today. In that account, but I got a trade that's still working, so it's not over till it's over. We'll see what that's. I'm in the YM to the long side right now, and that I can show you in a second. But looking for this NQ 50K Combine to get in long right here. Okay, so I messed up a little bit this morning trying to juggle these the casino account. I wish I can relabel this. Topstep just announced that you can label your accounts to make it easier, and I wish I could label my accounts because I just messed it up a little bit this morning. I should be up in my casino account right now by about $500, but I accidentally pushed wrong buttons with the wrong accounts and whatever it is what it is. So all good. Casino account might still do good today, but just got a little bit wonky. So right now you are looking at, so 3.3 is my regular account. So this is my casino account right now. So looking for a target somewhere right in here, and then that account will be recovered nicely. 3.3 is my NQ Combine. I should have already been in this trade from down here. Remember I told you I wanted to get in down here, but I didn't have the right. I had my casino account on when I put the order in and not my NQ account. Had my NQ account been on, I'd already almost be ready to get out of this trade because of my, I can only make $1,000 in a day. So had I gotten in at 52, I'd be looking to get out at 102 right in here. Boom, my 1,000 for the day would have been sweet. I think this is going, all the way back up here, but I can't trade it to that level because I'm restricted on how much I can make in a day. So I got my limit order to get out of this trade right here, which will give me about my 1,000 for the day. maybe just shy of that. So hopefully that will hit that here quickly. But I'm going to head out and just let this trade ride, come back and see what ended up happening. And then I'll bring that conclusion to you. Okay, so here we are at the end of the day. So unfortunately, I took a $1,000 hit in each account, my casino account and my NQ combine, but I should not have. So today was a nice green day. I should have made $1,000 in each account, but order entry mistakes cost me quite a bit today. So first of all, this right here is my NQ combine 733. So I ended up getting into the trade up here when I should have gotten in down here, but again, order entry mistakes. I actually tried to enter with the wrong account. I did it with the casino account, and when I realized that, I switched over to the NQ combine and got in, chased it basically, which wasn't terrible had I not left for the day. If I didn't leave for the day when it was almost to maxed out on the deck, so right here we were just about there. As you see me doing most of my trades, I'll move my stop to break even plus a few dollars, and I would have ended up out of this trade right here. So it would have been, washing the day with my NQ account. And over on my casino account right here, you see I had the proper entry down there because I thought I was in a different account, unfortunately. And then with this account, I entered with an ATM strategy, and I just put it on the thing, right? I put the limit order on here, but I walked away with this ATM strategy that needed to be managed. So once I got in the trade, I needed to put my stop down here and put my target in. Target would have been 02 right here. So clearly would have hit the target there. Stop was down there. Clearly plenty of room. Would have been fine. Would have got a little scary right here. Almost would have got stopped out for max loss, but would have been fine and would have made $1,000 in that account here. So could have been a fantastic day today. And, that's all speculation. Who knows when you're sitting there watching the markets what you actually end up doing. But that's basically rough. I feel like today was a green day that I made a red day. And the downside to that is the first trade of the day, I wasn't here to take it, which was in here, which would have been an easy money. It would have been an easy green day. And what I find is that if I'm taking all the losers and I'm skipping the winners, winner, loser, right? And this could have been a winner, which means my next trade now will probably be a loser, and I'll blow up both of these accounts and I'll have to start over. So that's what happens, traders. If it doesn't matter how good your strategy is, if you find yourself taking the losers and skipping the winners, you're not going to get very far. And that's basically what happened today. All right, everybody, we'll see you on the next trade.